So friends, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make doce, very famous in Goa, especially made for weddings and very popular, everyone's favorite. For that, first thing, the main ingredients is, this is Bengal gram, split chickpea you can say, or in other words chana dal. First thing, we need to wash it. I have already washed at least 3 times. Soak it in water and at least for an hour, and then you have to boil it. Keep enough water to boil. You can use the same water by adding little salt. You have to boil it. Now this will keep for boiling. This will be the first step. So friends, this chana dal, I've already boiled it. Look at the texture. This should be soft and mushy. This I've taken 250 grams to make this doce. The next ingredient is the coconut, which is 2 coconut. I've grind it roughly without adding any water to this. Sugar is 500 grams. Salt, I've used it already to boil this, so I'm not going to use any salt. Ghee 1 tablespoon and elaichi powder is 1 teaspoon. This with very little water is remaining. With this only I'm going to blend this now to make a fine paste. So this I'm going to make it to a fine paste now. So friends, now it's a mixing time. Dal, which is fine paste, coconut, coarsely ground, and then sugar. You have to mix this well. So friends, check this out after mixing this. Now we'll keep this on the flame and we have to keep on stirring it. Ghee and elaichi powder we will add last minute, just before removing it. So let's keep this on the flame now. Check this out, this is on medium flame now. You have to keep stirring it till it becomes thick. You have to keep stirring it till it becomes more thick. One thing to keep in mind is when you make doce, you have to take a deep bottom pan and a wooden spoon, which is long wooden spoon. The reason why is when it becomes thick, it splashes all over. So just for that you have to take this thick bottom vessel and a long wooden spoon. It's getting thick now, see. So guys, check this out, this is getting more thick now. Now we'll add cardamom powder and ghee. And keep mixing it till it becomes more thick. It already became thick, ready to remove now. This is the right consistency. I already start to leave the edges, the sides. We'll turn off the gas now and we'll remove it. We'll remove this. Check this out, we have to keep shape now. I'm using jackfruit leaf. You can use the spatula in order to give the shape. Guys, use jackfruit leaf with little ghee or applied on top. And if you don't have a jackfruit leaf, not to worry, you can use a rolling pin. On a flat surface, use flour first, maida, and then flatten it up. Guys, once you roll it, use a fork and give shape like this. When it is hot only, you have to do it. Then take a knife, cut the edges first. This is how it should be. Guys, check this out. Our dosh is ready now to be served. This is how it should be. You can make this at home. Only the stirring part take time. Otherwise, it's very easy to make. On any occasion, you can make this. Christmas is very close, so you can make this at home and give it to your loved ones. Try this recipe.
Thank you so much for watching. Love you all.